This is how you install a disk drive into your PlayStation 5 Pro or PlayStation 5 Slim. I'm using a PlayStation 5 Pro model, but it's very similar for the PlayStation 5 Slim. The first thing we want to do is turn it over so it is on its top. I'm going to use my fingers to just pull on this corner of this plate, just like that, and then I'm going to slide my fingers over here and pull on this corner. That will loosen this plate, and then we can just pull it off. Inside there's going to be two holes right here, and there's going to be a connector right here that we need to pay attention to. Your disk drive is going to come like this. It's got these two tabs right here, and then it's got this connector in the back. These two tabs line up with these holes right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is line up the tabs just like that. This tab's lined up with that hole. This tab's lined up with that hole. Now I'm going to rotate it down, and this connector on the disk drive is going to fit onto this connector on the board. I'm just going to let it rotate down, and I'm not going to press too hard yet. I'm going to make sure everything's fitting in there how it should. I'm going to make sure and push forward to make sure these tabs are engaged how they should be, just like that, and then just press down on the back. And there we go. Your disk drive also should come with this new plate. These two tabs right here are going to fit in right here and right here. So I'm going to line up the tabs just like that, rotate the plate down just like that. Then I'm going to press hard here and over here. And now our disk drive installation is complete.